Hey guys, what's up? Today I'll be teaching you on how to make a miniature plant. So we have acrylic paint, green and brown, of course the palette, and the paintbrush, glue, scissor, and computer paper or bond paper. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna fold some pieces of computer paper. Then I'm gonna cut this out. Then firm it and cut this out and cut a little bit. And you're gonna fold it once you can. This is for the pot to make it stronger and firmer. And make sure you're folding. Then you're just gonna roll it. Okay. And after the rolling, we're gonna glue it. It's not glue. Okay, you're not having to glue. We're gonna glue. And let it dry. And we're gonna paint it with brown. Use the straight line. Once you're done with painting it, we're just gonna let it dry, and while letting it dry, we're gonna cut some piece of paper and we're just gonna cut the leaves. Don't worry guys, cutting leaves is very easy. All you're gonna do is you're gonna fold this stuff. I'm sorry, I'm out of green colored paper, but we will find a way ever since we have our green paint. I mean green acrylic paint. And then you're just gonna cut this off. Just remember the size of the leaves. Okay. And cut this out for more details. And I've trimmed it into the smaller parts. Okay, once you're done, I think it's already dry. Oh, not yet. One more second. And I've crumpled some paper, and you're gonna put it inside. And just glue together. And I'm gonna glue the crumpled paper to make it firm. Okay, glue is not working. And right after, I'm gonna paint it with brown. And let it dry. Once again, let it dry. While I'm allowing it to dry, I'm gonna paint these kitty leaves with the green acrylic paint. Okay, there was a problem with the leaves, so I have a remedy guys, don't worry. I'm just gonna paint into another computer paper some leaves, the smaller ones. Don't worry, it was easy. You're just gonna paint into the front and of course to the back. I'm doing this because I'm out of I'm out of green colored paper. Don't worry, it's the best remedy. Just gonna paint this and you're just gonna allow it to dry. Once it's done, once the front is done, you're just gonna paint again from the back. But don't worry, it's easy. You can track those lines. Okay, already painted from the front and the back, and I'm just gonna cut this out. Okay, since I'm done with the leaves and I've cut this off, I'm gonna collect them all and I'm gonna feed it together. Okay. And I'm gonna glue it. Glue some strip of paper. Oops. And we're gonna do this all. And after that, you're gonna form it like a star shape or an asterisk. Just like that. And we're gonna put it in the pot. Just form this out. And voila, you're done. Although there are some spots that you might have, but it's fine. Okay guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and we will see you guys next time. Bye!